how to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Today I would like to learn you how to create a click counter in JavaScript. We have here two buttons. A button click me with text click me with background blue, and a button receipt with background red, and between them we have an area with a div where we displayed a number. How it works, this HTML document: when I click on this button where is click me, I increase with 1 and I display here, again with 1 and I display here. I click each time. When I click, I put 1, I increase with 1. If I want to reset, I click this button and my counter will be reset to 0. Again, I want to reset, I reset and is 0. Now let's see the code for this these HTML documents. Initially we have a variable click count, this variable, where we keep the track of click counter. After, we create another variable and I assign it false, where we follow if where press this where push this button click me is click tracking if the and follow if the this button click me will be pressed, is reset follow if the button reset is press. We have two add event listener on when the user click on a button with background blue. What happens? This is the blue background. Let's see, let's put this it's simple. This is for code for blue button because have a blue outline. Okay, on this button we have a document add event listener. This add event listener is a method who have two parameters, is a callback with two parameters. An event in our case is click, but if, there are a lot of other events like one mouse over, one mouse out and others. And function, anonymous function, is anonymous because, do you see here, don't have a name, it's just function call and I put the statements. Okay, what happened when I click on this button? First click count increase with 1. That means when I have initially 0 click count. When I click 1, I put here 1. When I click again, I put 2. Click count increase with 1. After, I have this is clicked set to true. Initially is false. That means nobody press the button. But if in this function is true, that means somebody click the button. And button is reset, I put to false. That means nobody press the button reset. Here I display the click count. I display the number from here, no? Initially it's 0, but on each time when I click, will increase with 1. After I click from twice, here will appear click count will be 2. I put here a console.log for see is clicked this variable that follow if somebody click on this button with blue, and is reset to see if somebody click on this button, and I have button clicked, you see this string, false, is clicked equal false. I reset reset click true. I reset this before. Okay, on the reset now, for the reset button I have this code with red. It's an add event listener with ID reset button, document get element by ID reset button dot add event listener, a click and function anonymous function. When I click on this button, I reset to 0 this click count. Initial is 0, but when I click on click me, I increase with 1 because I have this line here. Is click do you see here click count is not increased with 1, is just set to 0 because I would like to appear here 0. Now I press and that is why appear here 0. Is clicked equal false, that means is clicked is not nobody call click me, no, because call press reset. Is reset is true because I reset this, I click on it, and I display 0, I display click count. In my case I display 0, and after I put this console.log for see the click is clicked and is reset. Okay, let me to do little summary, a little briefly summary. I have here a counter. When I click, I add one, I increase with 1 because I have this click count, and I have a variable is click who keep the evidence of somebody click or not on the button click me. On is reset, keep the evidence if somebody click or not, or reset. The both are set to false initially because nobody click them. No, when page loading nobody click on this button, and I set it to false, the both. I set this the both when I load the page because nobody click them, but I modify this value when somebody click. For example, if somebody click on this button blue, do you see here I put true for this, and false is reset because nobody click on this. When click on reset, it's reverse. I put true on is reset because somebody click on this and reset my counter, and I put false on blue because nobody click on it. That was all for today. I hope you understand how to create a click counter in JavaScript. My goal was for today to learn you how to use this boolean variable in JavaScript. Boolean value are very useful, and you can do with them a lot of things. Don't be afraid to use them when you writing code. because is a simple way to create more interesting code. That was all for today. Have a nice day. All the best.